Hello students, hope all you are fine, fit and fine. So now in the last video we discussed about how to plot the points on the graph and how to find the perimeter area by joining that points, whatever figure we will get. So that figures how area and perimeter how to find, that we discussed in the last video. On that I gave some questions to solve. So some students they having the doubts. So commonly I am explaining because that topic it is unexplained and little new topic it is there. So on that I am explaining. So topic is that mirror image. So what is the meaning of mirror image? Mirror image means the reflection of point in x-axis and y-axis is called mirror image. Generally, this word mirror is in our home, or you experience every day you are observing your face, watching your face in the mirror. So when you will see the face in the mirror, what you will get? Naturally your face only you will see in the mirror, but the difference is what in that? So in the mirror you will get laterally inverted image. What is the meaning of laterally inverted image? Laterally means sidewise. If you raise your left hand, so mirror will show your right hand. If you raise your right hand, mirror will show your left hand. So such type of image we call laterally inverted image. Understood, student? So here whatever axes are there, x-axis and y-axis, this axis works like a mirror. How they are working? As a mirror. So mirror image of a point in x-axis means x-axis is a mirror. And in that how you will get the image that we have to find. So already on the graph paper we discussed first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. In that sign convention we studied first quadrant plus plus, second quadrant minus plus, third quadrant minus minus, and fourth quadrant plus minus. Like this sign conventions we studied. And again another important point of mirror image, that is the image of a point will get at equal distance from the axis. At what distance the object is there, the image will also get on the same distance. So how it is? So for that purpose we will discuss. Suppose this is y-axis, this is x-axis. Just only example I am giving. Suppose here B is there. B is a point. Okay. Now we have to find the mirror image of B in x-axis and mirror image of B in y-axis. So first you see where is the point. Point is in the first quadrant. What is? Point is in the first quadrant. Means the given point's coordinates are both are positive. So now mirror image in x-axis. So mirror image in x-axis means what we'll get? This x-axis behaves like a mirror, and from here, how much distance is there? At the same distance, you will get, suppose here 1, 2, here -1, -2. So here you will get the image. Like this. Understood? In x-axis. If they ask, means if the point is in the first quadrant and they ask find the image, mirror image of this point in x-axis. So mirror image we will get in which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. This is the mirror image. Now if they ask in y-axis, so y-axis means this here. So suppose here 1, here 2. So here also -1, -2. At the equal distance here. So here we will get the image. How we will get the image? Laterally inverted. Means coordinate of this B is what we get? Minus plus. And coordinate of this plus minus. So what you observe? If the point is in the first quadrant and mirror image in x-axis, means x coordinate becomes same. Sign of x coordinate becomes same. Then whose it will change? Y coordinate sign it will change. If it is positive, it becomes negative. And in y axis, what will happen? See, y coordinates is same, plus plus, but x coordinate becomes opposite. So this is about the alphabets. Now we will see if we will take the number. So how we will get the mirror image? So example 1, from your whatever question you ask, from that question, so what is that? Mirror image of point 0, 4 in x-axis. The question is like this. Find the coordinates of a mirror image of point 0, 4 in x-axis. Without plotting, so x coordinate becomes 0. X coordinate becomes 0. Now mirror image of point 0, 4 in x-axis. So now here x coordinate becomes 0. Means the point lie on y-axis. Without plotting the point, we have to write the mirror image. Means point is on the y-axis. So we have to write the mirror image of this point in x-axis. So what will get? Answer: mirror image of 0, 4 in x-axis is. So what I said, x-axis means x coordinate becomes same, 0, and y coordinate is opposite, means what will get? -4. So 0, -4 is the mirror image. Without plotting the point, we have to write. Now see how we will get. For example, if we will do like this, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. -1, -2, -3, -4. -1, -2, -3, -4. Now, what is the coordinate of the point 0, 4? Means point is here. A. So, what is the mirror image? In x-axis. In x-axis means this is the mirror. X-axis is a mirror. So, it is up. So, mirror image where we will get? Down. So, down means at the same distance. What is the distance? 4 unit. So, here 4 unit means where we will get? So, this is the mirror image of A. So, what is the coordinate? Coordinate of this is 0, 4. So, what is the coordinate of this? 0, minus 4. Got it? Understood, students? Now, another example we will take. Now, mirror image of point -2, 3 in y-axis. What is -2, 3 in y-axis? So y-axis means y coordinate becomes same. What will get? Y coordinate become same. So without plotting, so I will explain with this figure, means you will understand clearly. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2, -3, -4, -1, -2, -3, -4. So what is the point? Where is the point -2, 3? -2, 3. The point is here. So mirror image of this point in y-axis. Where we have to find? In y-axis. Y-axis is the mirror now. So point is in the second quadrant. So image we will get in the first quadrant. Where we will get? Image we will get in the first quadrant. So where is the first quadrant? Here. So at the same distance from the y-axis. So how much distance is there? 2 unit. So here 2 unit. A dash. So what is 2, 3. See what I said? Y coordinate is the same and x coordinate is opposite. Here minus was there, here plus. So mirror image of point -2, 3 in y-axis is what will get? 2, 3. Understood, students? Now this with the help of graph I showed. Without graph now we will write directly. Third example. Mirror image of point -3, -4 in x-axis and in y-axis. Both. So first you decide where is the point. Both the coordinates are negative. Means point is in the third quadrant. In which quadrant it is? Third quadrant. So in the third quadrant point is there. So mirror image of point -3, -4 in x-axis. So what I said, x-axis means x coordinate becomes same. So what will get? -3. And y coordinate becomes opposite. Here it is minus, it is given. So we will get plus. -3, 4. Understood, student? Now mirror image of point minus 3 comma minus 4 in y-axis. So y-axis means y coordinate becomes same. What is the y coordinate? Minus 4 is the same. What about the x coordinate? X coordinate becomes opposite. Here negative is there. So what will get here? Positive. 3 comma minus 4. Hope you understand, student, how to write the mirror image. Okay. So about mirror image, I think your doubts clear. Now we will see the another question that you ask as a doubt. So in that question nothing is there. Simple. You did not read the question. So another question. So what is that question? Plot the points. Plot the points A minus 5 comma 3, B 3 comma 3, C 3 comma 0 and D minus 5 comma 0. So here sub questions are there. Second, name the figure. Name the figure A, B, C, D. And third, it is given. Find the ratio. Find the ratio of areas of two parts of ABCD in first quadrant and second quadrant. So like that question is there. This question some students having the doubts. Now here how to do? So first question, what is that? Plot the points. So on the graph paper we have to plot it. So this is y-axis, this one is x-axis. So y dash, x dash. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Okay. Now here plot the point. Minus 5 comma 3. Minus 5. So at minus 5 we have to draw perpendicular. Comma 3. So this is the point. So this is A. Minus 5 comma 3. Now second point, 3 comma 3. 3. So at 3 we will draw the perpendicular. 3. So this is B, 3 comma 3. Second point. Third point, 3 comma 0. This is third. C, 3 comma 0. And fourth point, D is there, minus 5 comma 0. Minus 5 comma 0. Now we plot this point as per the instruction. Now what is, name the figure ABCD. What is the name of this figure? So we have to join these 4 points. So what type of figure you are getting? So what type of figure? It is a rectangle. What is? Name the figure ABCD. What is the name of the figure ABCD? Rectangle. Then third, find the ratio of areas of 2 parts of ABCD in first quadrant and second quadrant. First quadrant means this. So area of this. So in the first quadrant, what type of the figure it is there? Square. What is this? It is a square. So area of square. Area of square. What is the area of square? Formula side square. What is the side? 1, 2, 3. So 3 square means what will get? 9 square unit. This is the first quadrant and this is the second quadrant. So in second quadrant, what type of the figure we are getting? In second quadrant, we got the figure rectangle. What we got? Rectangle. So area of rectangle. So what is length into breadth? So what is the length of this? See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Length is 5 units. Here magnitude has to take. Don't take negative value. Distance is always positive. Length is always positive. So don't take negative. So magnitude is always positive. So 5. And breadth. What is the breadth? 1, 2, 3. So we will get 15 square unit. So first quadrant and second quadrant area we found. For that, find the ratio. So ratio of areas. So first quadrant area by second quadrant area. So what is the first quadrant area? First quadrant square. So square's area is 9. What is the second quadrant? Rectangle. So second quadrant's area means area of rectangle, 15. So 3 3s are 3 5s are. So what we got? 3 by 5. So 3:5. So what is the ratio of the areas of 2 parts of ABCD is 3:5. Understood, students? Hope you understand this topic. So before asking the question, one request is there, students. So whenever you are asking the doubts, so at that time, please tell your name. So I will understand this student having the doubt. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.